All right, man, and just like that, welcome back to the channel, man. I am on my way to Cleveland, Ohio. You guys see Clark Kent looking absolutely amazing and shined up on my way to the SOS Sound Competition. Man, I did this last year. The video was absolutely off the hook. Check it right there. You guys got to go see that. If you are ready for a crazy day, I'm about to get super hype and we're about to have a blast, man. Stay tuned. And just like that, I am in Cleveland, Ohio, and pulling up on Southeast Harley-Davidson, about to rock and roll and see what is really going on. Here we go, man. This is the competition right there. You see all the bikes. It is a big crowd back there. Let's check out some of the bikes. My guy is in the house. What is good, man? What's good with it, man? Trying to get out here. About to go park this and get it here. All right. Man, it is definitely going down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But man, it is all the way live. We're just gonna ride around for a quick second, show you fellas what it do. I am at the spot right now, Southeast Harley-Davidson behind me, and we're about to go check out some bikes for the bike road and see what's in the building before we get in the competition. It is bikes galore. If you feeling the bikes, man, don't forget, shoot a thumbs up, man. Oh my goodness, check this out right here. I love that color. Where my old schoolers at right here, loving that. He's pretty clean, kept it super clean. So bikes are everywhere, man. We got them all the way through, as you see right now. Man, about to have a great day. Oh, we got to step over here first. Check this out. All right, so what we got right here, look at this Harley right here. Look at the paint job on that right there. All that chrome, man, that's just crying. Absolutely crying for a towel in your pocket to wipe all that chrome, but it's kind of dope, man. Fellas, had to make a stop in the Southeast Harley-Davidson. This place is absolutely huge. If you remember on the channel, guys, watch back to the shows. This is where I bought my bike at. This is the restaurant over here. Check out all the vintage bikes right here. Knuckleheads, they got all kinds of stuff. They even got the bike that Elvis Presley rode right there. This is it, absolutely crazy. Fellas, you know I love the monster trucks, and as you see right here, this thing is absolutely massive. How does this dude get in this truck right here? I want to know, but check it out underneath. Absolutely crazy lift kit under here. I don't even know what size wheels these are, but man, they absolutely blind you when you come up on it. But I can hear the music around the corner, and you see it right there. Oh my God. YouTube, it is a music competition. Do not copyright me. All right, fellas, so you see, man, I'm in the middle of the competition right now. All the bikes are coming in behind me, getting going, and how it works is like this. Pull a bike in, two bikes go head to head. Whoever has the best sound goes to the next round. Easy as that. You see we got the blue Street Glide right there, and then we got the gray with the honeycombs on that Road Glide. I'm absolutely loving that shield. Got the red shield on it. But like I said, fellas, it is very simple. He goes up against him. Whoever's bike is the loudest wins the competition. Shout out to the crew, found them in the house. We got Dev right there. We got World. We got Colin. We got Guy in the house, man. Found these guys in the crowd. Man, like I told you guys, it's real simple. Whoever got the loudest system is gonna win. That blue Street Glide is the champ so far. Now we got this Road Glide coming up again right back on here. All right, fellas, I had to come outside, man. Last year, YouTube copyrighted my video, and it was one of the biggest of the year. So I had to come outside so I don't get that again. I want to show you guys some great bikes, big wheel baggers. We got everything out here. Let me show you some of what's going down.
Big Vern's Motor Life!
gotta go check out my last video where I showed you how to perform that 1,000-mile service. Now that'll go for the 10, 15, 20, whatever service that you're gonna have, man. Guys, gotta check that out. You can do that, and you can spend your money on things like a new sound system. Go check that video out. It is very detailed how to do that 1,000-mile service. Let's get back to the show. Let me show you some of the flavor we got going on. My guy got the multi-colors, and you can see it got the specs in there. That's kind of creative right here with the big Trask on there, the big turbo Trask on there. That's crazy to see a Trask on a big wheel bagger right there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Kind of dope, man, but like a color splash, kind of like in that Street Glide. Now let's step over, man, to the Big Daddy Road Glide in that Gunship Gray. This has always been one of my favorite colors right here. That Gunship Gray, absolutely loving that. Let's keep it going and see what we got. Oh man, we got to step out. And my man is doing it so big right here. Check it out, man. It is, I don't even know what color. Is that like a root beer right there going down? But he got it chromed out with the customized cover right there. My guy even went, guys, check it out. He went so low. He went with the engine, got it all color matched and everything. I'm surprised he didn't do that with the rocker boxes, but love the flavor, all custom out. Let me know what you think, guys. Are you a big wheel bagger, or do you think this is just wasted money? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we gotta switch over. This thing is for sale. Absolutely love that color. All right, fellas, we are backstage, and this is the row right here. He is up next, and he is on this street glide right here. I'm loving that deep red right there. Nice little custom look to it. Let's see what he got. He's gonna roll up next. You got some pounds in here, man. You got some good pounds, man. We're gonna see what you got right quick. A little stroll backstage. You guys can see the bikes that are on deck. You see they got the power commanders and everything, keeping everything all powered up so they can be ready to rock and roll. But you can just see the different flavors. All right, my man got the Phantom on the back of there. That's kind of dope. Dope paint job right there. But he is on deck up next. And we got another road glide right here. All blacked out, murdered out road glide right there. Then my man, he got something over behind here. Let's see what he got right here. Another street, looks like a street glide. Oh, it might be a road glide. Let's check it out in the front fairing. That's a road glide with that shark fairing. And he got it all done up with the speakers in there. Well, let's hear what that one's got. But man, my man must got some boom in there. Fellas, this thing is absolutely shaking the ceiling right there. It is the loudest. If you saw my video last year, you saw we had one like this. This is another, and you gotta feel it. You can feel that bass in your heart right now, man. This thing is so loud. All right, fellas, man, I had to step back for a minute. That bike is so loud. It was absolutely rattling my eardrums. Man, you see I am about, I don't even know, maybe like 200 feet back. And it is absolutely crazy. You can still hear it. Man, again, YouTube, this is a sound competition. Please do not copyright me. This is just people getting together and seeing who got the loudest music. Fellas, this was the bike that was absolutely incredible, man. It was shaking the ceiling right there. You guys can see it up close and personal all day long. Definitely got your flavor. Anything that you want is here. My man got the graffiti. I'm actually loving this right here. Loving the graffiti look right here. As he got it in the lowers right there, and he got the speakers bumping right there. These guys really go all the way, all out. Man, check out saddlebags all smoothed out in the back. Man, and I know he got some power in here. I can't wait to hear this one right here with, of course, the Crown gas cap right there. Of course, wouldn't have it any other way. All right, man, I'm just strolling through the crowd right now, just giving you guys the best content out there. We are in the intermission right now, and they're just setting up. Guys, see more bikes coming on. Now, this bike right here, called Black Pearl, I want to hear what that bike got right there, but thing is definitely heating up. I see a couple people from last year. I see my guy right there from Iowa. It was like the champ. He won like 10 rounds in a row and then lost a heartbreaker. And we got a little bit of a break. Gotta ask you out there, do you think this is waste of money, or do you think it is art right here? Let me know what you think in the comments below. They spend thousands of dollars on these sound systems. What do you think about it, man? Is it art or is it a waste of money? Personally, my opinion, I think it's art. You could be spending your money on all kinds of things. You might as well spend it on something you love.